Dear students, now we are handling the topic addition of vectors. In the topic addition of vectors, now day 5 is going on. In day 4 class, we have discussed the concept and the theory. Depends upon the concept and theory. Some examples we have discussed. Let us going to discuss about some examples that is in level 1. Two questions are very important questions. We want to discuss today 36 and 37 question, which are most IMP for all competitive exams. 36 and 37 level 1, page number 159, page 159, level 1 class work 36 and 37 question. Now see the question 36. E bar is equal to Li bar plus Mj bar plus Nk bar. A unit vector, the maximum value of Lm plus Mn plus Nm. The same concept is there in functions chapter also, and the same concept is there in trigonometry concept also. In trigonometry they may ask AB plus BC plus C a range, and in functions also they may ask AB plus BC plus C a range, but here they asked Lm plus Mn plus Nl. Even the question you can face in DCs and DRs chapter also, there also Lm plus Mn plus Nn is there for direction, cosines and direction ratios. Lmn indicates direction, cosines, and ABC indicates direction ratios. Now let us see the question number 36. E bar, E means here existence of identity. It is a unit vector. Existence of identity is unit vector given Li plus Mj plus Nk. Li plus Mj plus Nk is the unit vector. That means the unit vector meaning is the vector which is having magnitude 1. So component square plus component square plus component square over root is equal to unit vector formula. Squaring both sides we have taken. Then we got like this: L square plus M square plus N square equal to 1. Let this is a first equation. Of course for DCs DRs also this is okay. Now consider, I am writing, consider this one. I am considering as L plus M plus N whole square. L plus M plus N whole square you consider. We know that every square greater than or equal to 0. Now you can write here greater than or equal to 0. So according to the formula A plus B plus C whole square, you can write L square plus M square plus N square. Like this you write L square plus M square plus N square plus 2 into Lm plus Mn plus Nl. 2 into Lm plus Mn plus Nl, this is greater than or equal to 0. So this is having, already we have L square plus N square plus N square equal to 1 from equation 1. So you write here 1 plus 2 into Lm plus Mn plus Nl. 1 plus 2 into Lm plus Mn plus Nl greater than or equal to 0. Using this one you can write as 2 into Lm plus Mn plus Nl greater than or equal to minus 1, and Lm plus Mn plus Nl. Lm plus Mn plus Nl greater than or equal to minus 1 by 2. According to options, minus 1 by 2. He is asking maximum value, not minimum value. If he asks minimum value, it is minus 1 by 2. So write like this: minus 1 by 2 lesser than or equal to Lm plus Mn plus Nl. Minus 1 by 2 less than or equal to Lm plus Mn plus Nl. Also consider not only this one, consider also L minus M whole square. L minus M whole square plus M minus N whole square plus N minus L whole square. Of course, every square greater than or equal to 0, you can write this is also greater than or equal to 0. Now you can write here L square plus M square minus 2Lm, M square plus N square minus 2Mn plus N square plus L square minus 2Ln concept. Using this one, you can write like this: 2 into L square plus M square plus N square. 2 into L square plus M square plus N square plus, of course, 2 taken common. You can write here Ln plus Mn plus Nl. No, this is minus 2. Minus of Lm plus Mn plus Nl. This is also greater than or equal to 0. Now divide with 2, L square plus M square plus N square. We know already this is, you can write 1 minus of Lm plus Mn plus Nl greater than or equal to 0. Therefore, you can write here, therefore, Lm plus Mn plus Nl. Lm plus Mn plus Nl lesser than or equal to 1. So, range is equal to, if he is asking range of this Lm plus Nl, Lm plus Mn plus Nl of the given unit vector equal to minus 1 by 2 minimum and 1 is maximum. In functions and in trigonometry, everywhere this question arises, there they may ask a plus b plus ab plus bc plus ca concept. So ab plus bc plus ca range is minus 1 by 2 comma 1, minimum value minus 1 by 2, maximum value 1. Here according to our question, 36th question, option 3 is the correct answer. Now let us see 37th question. Question number 37. Question number 37. He given E is equal to, of course, the same question. E is equal to Li plus Mj plus Nk. It is the unit vector. E is equal to Li plus Mj plus Nk, and L is equal to 1 by 3. He given 1 by 3. Maximum value of Lmn we should consider. Find max value of Lmn. Find maximum value of Lmn. So use the, we know that we can write here, we know that L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1, because it is unit vector. Already he given L square plus M square plus N square equal to 1. Instead of L, you substitute 1 by 3. 1 by 3 whole square becomes 1 by 9. So 1 by 9 plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. That implies, you can write here M square plus N square is equal to 1 minus 1 by 9. It is 8 by 9. Taken 1 by 9, that's it. 1 minus 1 by 9 becomes 8 by 9. Now using AM greater than or equal to GM. AM greater than or equal to GM, for any numbers we can use. What is AM here? Two numbers I am taking, that is M square and N square, because already for a L he given the value 1 by 3. You consider M square plus N square. So M square plus N square by 2, because it is two numbers by 2, greater than or equal to square root of M square N square. So that implies you can write M square plus N square by 2. M square plus N square by 2 greater than or equal to Mn. So 2 into Mn we can write. 2 into Mn is asked. Now he is asking the minimum value of, if L equal to 1 by 3, maximum value of Lmn. So Lmn, M square plus N square already we got here 8 by 9. Right here 8 by 9 greater than or equal to 2Mn. Now multiply, right here, multiply with N. Multiply by L both sides. You multiply with L both sides, you write 8L by 9 greater than or equal to 2 into simply Lmn right here. Now this 2 will be getting cancelled 4 times, 4 into that implies, you can write 4 into, here 4 by 9 into, instead of L you write 1 by 3. 4 by 9 into 1 by 3 greater than or equal to Lmn. Therefore Lmn lesser than or equal to 4 by 27. 4 by 27 is the maximum value of the Lmn. So option here, second option. Okay students, now we have completed the concept, formula and sums in level 1. Of course level 1 only these two sums I should handle. So whatever the remaining sums I left, you should do level 1. Now let us enter into level 2 classwork. Module 2 classwork, page number 162. Module 2 classwork. Module 2 classwork, page 162 according to your material. page 162. See first question. Read question. What is the matter he given? What you should do? Pi plus 3j plus 4k and root qi plus 5k are two vectors where p bar and p and q are greater than equal to 0. Two scalars, not vectors. Then the lengths of the vector are equal. Then what? Then dash. Pi plus. Let you write this is OA bar or AB. OA bar is equal to Pi plus 3j plus 4k. Pi plus 3j plus 4k and OB you write, and another vector OB bar is equal to root q into I bar plus 5k bar, root q into I bar plus 5k bar, where the lengths of vectors are equal. Given condition is that the magnitude of two vectors, length means magnitudes, that is modulus of given two vectors are equal. Magnitude formula square root of component square plus component square plus component square. So here component square means p square plus 3 square means 9 and 4 square means 16 equal to root q square means only q plus this is 25. Now you write squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides becomes p square plus 25 here. P square plus 25 equal to q plus 25. 25 will be getting cancelled. Therefore, p square is equal to q. P square is equal to q gives any number. Example, let us consider p greater than equal to 0. He given q greater than equal to 0. Each and every one, p and q both are positive numbers. So, take any example. 1 square is equal to 1. Okay, 2 square is equal to 4. Okay, 3 square equal to 9. Any number you can take, any real number. So, according to option, infinite values of p comma q you take. Infinite values of p comma q, this is right. You can take any value, no problem. Now, second question. This is third option. First question is third option. Second question. If the points a plus b, a minus b and a plus kb are collinear, then let us write first OA bar. OA bar is equal to a bar plus b bar. A bar plus b bar. OB bar. OB bar is equal to a bar minus b bar. OB bar is equal to a bar minus b bar. OC bar is equal to a bar plus kb bar. A bar plus kb bar. Condition of collinearity I am writing here. Condition of collinearity. Collinearity. If three vectors are collinear, that means lie on the same line. This is A, this is B, this is C. A vector can be expressed as a scalar product of the other. Some lambda you can write. A vector can be expressed as scalar product of the other. General notation AC is equal to KAB form. Of course, K he given. That is why simply I had written as lambda. AC means OC minus OA. OC minus OA, subtract this one. A bar minus A bar becomes 0. KB minus B. So, you write here K minus 1 into B bar is equal to some lambda into OB minus OA. Lambda into OB minus OA. A minus A get cancelled. Minus B becomes minus 2B. B bar compare both sides. So, you are getting here minus 2 lambda equal to K minus 1. Now, let us see the condition. There is no condition given lambda equal to 0, lambda is positive, lambda is negative, like this. No conditions here. So, you can substitute any real value. K is a true for K has all real values. All real values. In the similar way, lambda is also having, whenever K has all real values, lambda will have all real values. K has all real values. Now, third question. F bar of t, third one, F bar of t is equal. F bar of t is equal to step t into I bar. Step t into I bar minus of t minus step t. T minus step t into j bar plus of step of t plus 1. plus step of t plus 1 into k bar. Step of t plus 1 into k bar be a vector. Step given as greatest integer function, f bar of 5 by 4 and I plus lambda j plus mu k are parallel. F bar of 5 by 4. F bar of 5 by 4 and I plus lambda j plus mu k, comma I plus lambda j plus mu k are parallel vectors. Let us write here AB bar. Of course, OA also you can write. AB is equal to F bar 5 by 4. Substitute instead of T, 5 by 4 is substitute. 5 by 4, step of 5 by 4 into I bar minus of 5 by 4 minus step of 5 by 4 into J bar plus of step of 5 by 4 plus 1 into K bar. Step of 5 by 4 means 1.33, 5 by 4 value 1.33, step 1. So write here I minus, this is 1.33 minus this step is 1. So 1.33 minus 1 becomes 0.33. Otherwise you can write 0.33 concept 5 by 4 minus 1, let us write 5 by 4 minus 1. So 1 by 4 it becomes. LCM taken 1 by 4j plus this is 9 by 4k. This is 9 by 4k. Now you compare with this one and this one. Compare with this one and this one. So lambda 9 by, no students, 9 by 4 step we should write. Step of 9 by 4 is nothing but 2. Is parallel to the given. Is parallel to. This vector is parallel to. Let us write the second vector as AC, that is equal to I minus lambda j plus mu k. So comparing the vectors, then you can write here lambda is equal to minus 1 by 4 and mu is equal to 2 directly. Lambda is equal to minus 1 by 4, mu is equal to 2. Here second option. Now fourth question. Fourth question, the position vectors of 3 points given where ABC like this are non-coplanar. If the 3 points are collinear, then what? So non-coplanar, of course, it is general, but the condition if the 3 points are collinear given. So collinear concept, one vector can be expressed as a scalar product of the other. So one vector can be expressed as like that we can think. Total 3 vectors given. Total 3 vectors. Let us write OA bar is equal to first one. This is fourth question. Write OA bar is equal to 2A minus B plus 3C. OA bar is equal to 2A minus B plus 3C. OA bar is equal to 2A bar minus B bar plus 3C bar. OC bar, OB bar, let us say, for second vector. Second vector OB bar he given as A bar minus 2B bar plus XC bar. A minus 2B plus XC. A minus 2B. A minus 2B plus XC. Next OC bar. OC bar given as YA bar minus 5B bar. YA bar minus 5B bar. That's all. These 3 vectors are collinear. If the 3 points are given, if the 3 points are collinear, then what is the value of x and what is the value of y? Now use the formula AB is equal to, of course, okay, AC is equal to lambda AB. We can write here. Now let us consider this is a concept. Otherwise, by comparing AB and AC also we can do comparing vectors. Now AB I am writing. AB means OB minus OA. We know that OB minus OA, A minus 2A gives minus A bar minus 2 plus 1. This is minus B bar plus X minus 3 into C. Plus X minus 3 into C bar. In the similar way you write AC. AC means OC minus OA. So you write here Y minus 2 into A bar plus minus 5 plus b. Minus 5 plus b becomes minus 4. Minus 5 plus 1. Minus 4b. That's all. Minus 3c. So compare, I am writing here, compare AC is equal to lambda AB method is not suggestible here. Compare vectors I am writing. So coefficient of vectors are components of two vectors, you can compare. Now it becomes minus 1 by y minus 2. You can write like this. Minus 1 by y minus 2 is equal to minus 1 by minus 4 is equal to x minus 3 by minus 3. That implies minus 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 1 by 4. Minus 1 by y minus 2 equal to 1 by 4. And 1 by 4 equal to x minus 3 by minus 3. X minus 3 by minus 3. Taking cross multiplication, we can get here y minus 2 is equal to minus 4. And x minus 3, that means 4x x minus 3 I am writing here minus 3 by 4. So x is equal to here minus 2 plus 4 becomes minus 2 and x is equal to minus 3 taken that side. 3 minus 3 by 4 taking LCM, 4 to get 12 minus 3. So it is 9 by 4. It is, it is y. Y is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to 9 by 4 we got. X is equal to 9 by 4 and y is equal to minus 2. Here it is third option. Okay. Now let us finish fifth question. Fifth question, if r bar is equal to, if r bar is equal to 3p plus 4q, 2r is equal to p minus 3q. If r bar is equal to 3p plus 4q, r bar is equal to 3p plus 4q, comma 2r bar is equal to p minus 3q. 2r bar is equal to p minus 3q. That's all. Then according to options you should verify. Now let us write here 2r is equal to here, meaning multiplying 2 for this r bar. So 2r bar is equal to 6p bar plus 8q bar. And the same 2r bar is given as, again we can write the same 2r bar is given as p bar minus 3q. That implies you compare. So you write here 6p plus 8q. 6p plus 8q is equal to p minus 3q. P taken this side, q taken this side, it becomes 5p is equal to 11q minus 11q. 5p is equal to minus 11q. So p bar is equal to minus 11 by 5 into q bar. P bar is equal to minus 11 by 5 into q bar. If we are taking magnitude, that implies I am writing taking magnitude, modulus of p bar is equal to modulus of minus 11 by 5 into q bar. So modulus of p bar is equal to 11 by 5 meaning 2 point something. 2.2, I do that in like this, 2.2. 2.2 into q bar. Now using the options, of course he given everything r bar concept, r bar q bar, r bar q bar, r bar q bar, r bar q bar, for everyone r bar q bar is given. Okay, now so substitute here, sub in 1, I am writing sub in r, sub in r. So r bar is equal to mod r bar, I am 3 into p meaning 2.2 into q plus 4q. So 3 into 2.2, 6.6 plus 4, 10.6 like this. 6.6 plus 4, 10.6 into q bar. So according to option we can write modulus of r bar is greater than 2q. What is 2? According to option is 2q. Okay, modulus of r bar greater than, modulus of r bar 10.6 q. So greater than 2q. That's all. According to option it is, for us modulus of r bar q having Yes, opposite direction. Whenever here we got minus 1. So P is minus 1 using this one. If we are substituting directly, you can get minus 3P. Minus 33 by 5 plus 4, 3 4 that 12, minus it becomes minus. So mod r greater than 2 keeps okay, and having opposite direction. No need to get confused here. Already we got minus. So whenever he is asking about modulus, you can say positive. But in the case of direction, we can write, we can say that this in negative direction. And having negative direction, we can write negative direction. Fifth question, second option. Now sixth question. A, B, C are non-coplanar vectors. Lambda is a real number. Then the vectors, three vectors are given. Lambda is an R, non-coplanar for. We know that the shortcut for coplanar and non-coplanar vectors, det method is the shortcut. Sixth one, A plus B plus 2C. Directly we can write that we know that A plus 2B plus 3C means 1, 2, 3. Determinant using determinant. 1, 2, 3 and lambda B plus 4C. There is no A. So 0, lambda 4 you write here. And next one 2 lambda minus 1 into C. 0, 0. Here 2 lambda minus 1. That's all. Is not equal to 0 because vectors are non-coplanar. Non-coplanar. Whenever he given the vectors are coplanar, then you can write it is det is 0. Now det not equal to 0. While calculating that directly, we can write here 1 into lambda into 2 lambda minus 1 not equal to 0. Enough. Therefore, that meaning is lambda not equal to 0 comma lambda not equal to 1 by 2. Now see the option all except values. These lambda should not be equal to 0 and lambda should not be equal to 1 by 2. Except these values, this is right for everything. So that meaning all except 2 values of lambda, this is true. So option 1. Option 1. Now let us see the seventh question. The value of A for which the points ABC with position vectors, 3 position vectors are given as vertices. You try to understand the question. He given position vectors or points or sides. Whenever he given points or position vectors, those vectors indicates vertices. Whenever he given the values, that means the sides, it indicates AB, BC, CA separately, not ABC of the triangle. The value of A for which the points ABC is given. So let us draw the rough diagram. Put here A, put here B, put here C. A, B, C. A value 2, minus 1, 1. 2, comma, minus 1, comma, 1. And B value 1, comma, minus 3, comma, minus 5. 1, comma, minus 3, comma, minus 5. This is A minus 3, 1. C value A minus 3, 1. A minus 3, 1. Condition angle C equal to pi by 2. Angle C is equal to pi by 2. Here we should use dot product. Of course, we did not discuss about dot product in objective, but in IP we have learned. Without using dot product also, you can say using the formula of Pythagoras concept. AB square plus BC square. Square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of two sides. AB square equal to AC square plus BC square. But dot product is somewhat easy. Using dot product condition, I am writing condition. If the two vectors, product of two vectors is 0, then the angle is right angle concept. Condition. So, upon these common sides, this is common sides. AC and CB. CA and CB, right? CA dot CB is equal to 0. CA dot CB equal to 0. C is the common angle. Just wait. A value 2, comma, minus 1, comma, 1. 2 comma minus 1 comma 1. B value 1 comma minus 3 comma minus 5. C value A comma minus 3 comma 1. Okay. CA dot CB. CA meaning here OA minus OC. So 2 minus A into I bar like this. Minus 1 plus 3. Minus 1 plus 3 means plus 2 0. Plus 2 0. Plus 1 minus 1, of course, it is 0, don't write here, into B, CB. CB means OB minus OC. 1 minus A into I bar. Minus 3 plus 3, of course, it is 0, don't write. Minus 5 minus 1, it is minus 6. Dot product of these two vectors is 0. We know that I dot I is equal to 1, so 2 minus A into 1 minus A is equal to 0. So A is equal to 1 comma A is equal to 2 points we got. 2 and 1 he given. A is equal to 2 and A is equal to 1. For 2 values it is right. Now let us see 8th question. It is important in MSET. MSET. Eighth question. Let A be points with the position vectors C bar, A bar and B bar with respect to origin. If the point C on OA such that 8th question. Given OA is equal to A bar given. OB is equal to B bar also given. But OC equal to C bar he did not give. Don't get confused. OC is not C bar. C is equal, he given the condition that 2AC equal to 0. 2AC equal to 0. Like this. 2AC equal to 0. Maybe like this. Like this. This is a 2AC. Two AC equal to C. So this is full like this. Condition I am writing. Two AC equal to 0. Full 2AC. So it should be, length should be great. Okay, let us write the condition. Condition 2AC equal to C1. So that implies I am writing 2 into this is OC minus OA. 2 into OC minus OA equal to minus OC. That implies 2OC minus 2A bar, because Y equal to A bar given. 2OC minus 2A bar equal to minus OC. 3OC is equal to 2A bar. Therefore, OC we got as 2A bar by 3. It is not a C bar. So, OC vector depends upon A bar. 2A bar by 3. Also, CD parallel to OB. Also CD parallel to OB. And C mod CD equal to 3OB. Oh, given condition. And mod CD is equal to 3 mod OB. That implies we write like this. Model OD minus OC. Modulus you can write, no problem. 3 into B bar. That implies OD bar minus C bar we have calculated as 2A bar by 3 is equal to 3B bar. OD bar minus 2A bar by 3 equal to 3B bar. Therefore, OD bar you can write as 3B bar plus 2A by 3. To find out which one, read the question. ED. To find out AD. AD meaning OD minus OA. OD minus OA. So OD here 3B bar plus 2A bar by 3 minus A bar. Take LCM. 3b plus 2a by 3 minus a bar. So it is 3b minus a by 3. 3b bar minus a by 3 or 9b bar minus a whole by 3. 3b minus a bar by 3 given as a second option. 8th question, second option. Now let us see 9th question. A point C bar equal to 5a plus 4b minus 5c by 3 divides the line joining the points A and B. B he did not give. Draw like this. This is A, this is B. This is C. A minus 2b plus 3c. Right here. A minus 2b plus 3c. 1 comma minus 2 comma 3. And B he did not give. Let us write here as A2 comma B2 comma C2. A2 comma B2 comma C2. This is A1 B1 C1, A1 A plus B1 A plus C1 J concept. This is A2 A plus B2 J plus C2 K concept. In the middle, C given as 5 by 3, 4 by 3 minus 5 by 3. 5 by 3, 4 by 3 minus 5 by 3. 5 by 3, 4 by 3 minus 5 by 3. The C divided the line AB in the ratio 2:1. Now, using section formula, we can calculate this one. Using section formula. Using section formula, OC is equal to MV bar plus NA bar by M plus N concept. So 2 into OB plus 1 into OA whole by 2 plus 1 whole by 3. So that implies right here by comparing the vectors 5 by 3 comma 4 by 3 comma minus 5 by 3 is equal to 2 into, you can write 2a2 plus 1 by 3 comma 2b2 2a2 plus 1 by 3 comma 2b2 minus 2 by 3 2b2 minus 2 by 3 comma 2c2 plus 3 by 3. By comparing this one, we can get 2a2 plus 1 equal to 5 comma 2b2 minus 2 equal to 4 and 2c2 plus 3 equal to minus 5. 2c2 plus 3 equal to minus 5. So 2a2 plus 1 equal to 5, 2a2 equal to 4, a2 is equal to 2, you can write. a2 equal to 2, here 2b2 minus 2 equal to 4, 2b2 is equal to 6 and b2 is equal to 3. 2 comma 3 comma, let us see the options. Fourth option. And 2c2 plus 3, this is minus 5, minus 3, minus 8. So c2 is equal to 2, c2 is equal to minus 8, c2 is equal to minus 4. According to option, it is fourth option. Option 4. Okay students, let us continue next class.